they do. Not so, they do.
Yeah, okay. All right there. I hope you're all feeling good today. I hope you enjoy your Friday. Yeah, thank God it's Friday right here on AYO Radio. Yeah, shout out to Oyinlomo Ajoke Johnson. Thank you so much for logging on. The first person to log on the Facebook. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Yes. And who else is there on Instagram? Wow. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. The program you're about to listen to now, most people think it's my show. I've just finished interview Paul Ike Dairo, the guy who sang Moshorire Eledami Modupe. Now, it's time for your boy, your homeboy. Yes, MC. It's not an MC. It's Sassy, it's an artist. Team Sassy, big up. This is the government and the people. Enjoy Team Sassy right here. On AYO.
My wonderful people, this is your eccentric program on your #1 radio, the government and the people. It is an informative, educative and entertaining program where we talk about the people to criticize themselves exactly the way they do criticize the government. The program is of 2 segments. In the first segment, we treat topic on the government and the people. In the second segment is when the audience makes their own contributions and suggestions on the topic of discussion. Join your humble presenter, SAS, as it brings to you the government and the people every week from your best companion radio, AYO, broadcasting live from UK and Nigeria. The government and the people, Ìjọba àti ará ìlú, you can't afford to miss it. Bebo dear.
Ǹlẹ́ o, pé mo tún dé. Èmi Ògúnadé Olúṣọlá Gabriel aka Sassy. Mo wá fìbà fọ́lọ́run ọba mi, ọba àná, ọba òní, ọba títí ayé, ọba tó ti wà káyé ó tó máa wà, òkìkí láà tó fara tì bí òkè, ọba tí ń gbé ní ìmọ́lẹ̀ tó tún faṣọ bora bí aṣọ, ọba mi àrìbìràbàtà, ọba tó tóbi, ọba tó jẹ́ pé títóbi rẹ̀ kò lákàwé. Tá bá wò pé ká máa kàwé bó ṣe tóbi tó, a máa kàwé títí tó nítọ̀hún tí ó fi sín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, tó nítọ̀hún tí ó fi ya wèrè. Tá bá wò pé ká máa ka títóbi ẹ̀, a lè kà á tán torí ọba mi àwa má rídìí ni. Ọba tó wò sùnsùn tó wò pé òní ni first day of May, tó wò tó ta méjì. Tó ní Sassy ó yá dìde ńlẹ̀. Òní ti mọ́, ó yá lajú sórílẹ̀-èdè aráyé. Tó wò sùnsùn tó jẹ́ ẹ̀yin náà níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ wà, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi nílé lóko. Ṣé kò wá tọ́pẹ́ bí? Torí ìgbà tí mo rí iṣẹ́ ìyanu bàbá láyé mi, mo rí wípé mo jẹ́ Jésù mi lọ́pẹ́ rẹpẹtẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo wò pé ọpẹ́ ló yẹ ọ́. Ló tún fi sọ wípé ọpẹ́ ló yẹ ọ́ Olúọ̀run o. Àdìmúlà olórí ayé gbogbo, alágbádá iná aláwọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ oòrùn, òkìkí mọ́lẹ̀ ó fi mọ́lẹ̀ bóra bí aṣọ ògo yẹ ọ́ o. Ìmọ̀ bá mi yìn lógo. Ẹ wo ẹnu ọpẹ́, orin ìyìn, orin ìyè kò ní tán lẹ́nu gbogbo wa. Ẹ wo mo fẹ́ sáré dé Ìjẹ̀ṣà torí Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni màmá tó bí mi lọ́mọ. Mo sọ pé èmi ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ọmọ onílẹ̀ obì, ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹ̀wẹ̀lẹ̀. Àwa lọmọ bá a jáwé kan, ẹgbàá ni. Bá a dá méjì, ó dẹgbàá méjì. Bá a bá wá dá mẹ́ta, ó dẹgbàá mẹ́ta. Torí pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó já mẹ́wàá ló lẹ́rú oko délé. Láńlérọ̀ o, ọmọ ẹlẹ́lú ẹ̀wẹ̀lẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹ̀wẹ̀lẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni. Wà á dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba mi tó wò ó sùnsùn tó wò pé dídásí rẹ̀ yìí lórí ayé mi àtẹ̀yìn olólùfẹ́ mi ó jẹ́ lógún. Tí ò bá dá wa sí kò sí ní tá a lè ṣe sí. It will still be God even though if anything happened to us. But so far we are living by grace. Glory be to God. Àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba mi. Mo dẹ̀ sọ pé mo ti gbà ládùúrà tẹ́lẹ̀, mo tún gbà pé orin ọpẹ́, orin ìyìn, orin àánú kò ní tán lẹ́nu gbogbo wa. Àmín. Kó tó di pé mo tẹ̀síwájú lórí ètò yín, ètò wa, ètò alálùbáríkà, ètò aráàlú, ètò ọ̀rẹ́, ètò ọ̀tá tó bá tẹ́tí sí i fúnra rẹ̀ gan, àti ètò gbogbo àgbáyé, ètò tèmi, ètò tẹ̀yin, ètò ìjọba àti aráàlú, the government and the people. Ó máa wù mí kí n sáré lọ sí òkè kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn, àwọn ènìyàn láṣọ mi, àwọn igi lẹ́yìn ọgbà, the people behind this wonderful program, the people in the like of DJ Ali the journalist, bàbá mi ó yá Èkìtì ó kún o. And again my wonderful director Prince Michael, and to my wonderful manager, I've mixed you so much, Mr. Ahmed Adedolapo. And kudos again to my interim manager that has been doing the work before my manager comes from Mr. MC Better. Kudos to you, God bless you. And again to my Jagaban, when I'm saying my Jagaban, you know what I'm talking about. Ẹ̀mẹ̀ni tí mò ń sọ, ẹ̀mẹ̀ni tí mò ń tọ́ka sí, MC Fufu, aṣojú ìjọba Nàìjíríà. Mọ bó ṣe ń lọ now. Next level on the level itself. So you know what is it to have your Fufu to be crank on your account. So you just send your account number to my number. So that is it on MC Fufu. So I give you guys kudos. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, mo dúpẹ́ ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ẹ̀yin tó ń tì mí lẹ́yìn, ẹ̀yin tí ò jẹ́ kí ètò yìí kó parẹ́, ẹ̀yin tó ń jẹ́ kí ètò yìí kó tẹ̀síwájú. I thank you all. I give God the glory and I give kudos to you. In case you are just listening to this program for the first time, maybe you are just listening to this program for the first time. This is AYO Radio UK TV show. Ayàtọ̀ sí wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mọ̀, torí òkè lẹ́yẹ ìdí ń fò. Ẹ wo, if you want to participate, you have objection, you have ideas, any ìfihàn ẹ̀hónú tẹ́ o pé àdẹ́kẹ́ fẹ̀hónú yín hàn lórí ètò yìí, ẹ lè pè wá sórí studio line wa, ẹ lè pè wá sórí +44 74 87 57 02 61. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí +44 74 87 57 02 61. Tàbí kẹ́ ẹ wò sòsò kẹ́ ẹ wò pé sásì kankan mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀, kẹ́ ẹ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, kẹ́ ẹ tẹ́sì sórí nọ́mbà mi 081 13 14 62 42 081 13 14 62 42. Tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, tẹ́ ẹ lè pè mí báyìí sórí ètò yìí, bọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá text message, tẹ́ bá ti text message màá rí, màá dẹ́ kẹfẹ́ hàn ní hàn, I will address it, màá mójútó, màá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. So this is AYO Radio UK TV show, the station with charisma. Ẹ wo, don't get it twisted. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó yà yín lẹ́nu, ẹ má dàárò rárá. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà, a máa lálẹ̀ gàràgàgàgà sílùú Èkó. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tá a bá fi dà lálẹ̀ gàràgàgà báyìí, à ń ṣe kí ni? À ń porí akọni ni. Ẹ má wọrí, tá a bá dẹ̀ porí akọni, a máa ṣe kí ni? A máa fi dà lálẹ̀ gàràgàgà. Ìyẹn di dandan. AYO Radio UK TV show, a máa lálẹ̀ gàràgàgà. Gbàm! Sílùú Èkó, precisely in Nigeria, very, very soon. So don't get it twisted on your program. Our program, the government and the people, ìjọba àti aráàlú. Before I proceed, kó tó di pé mo tẹ̀síwájú lórí ètò yìí, gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti ṣe mọ̀ pé ètò yìí, ètò ìjọba àti aráàlú, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwa aráàlú àti ìjọba, being the government. Bá a ṣe máa ń sọ pé ìjọba wa, gọ́vnọ̀ wa, gbogbo wọn tá a ṣe máa ń sọ pé wọn ò ṣe dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wà gangan gẹ́gẹ́ bí òbí, like father parent guidance or forefathers then. Ẹ jẹ́ ká criticize ara wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa wí, ẹ jẹ́ ká dàárò fúnra wa, ká sọ̀rọ̀ pé ìjẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí alámòjútó ọmọ, ìjẹ́ mò ń ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kí n ṣe, mò ń ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ mi lórí ọmọ. Are you doing the right thing on your child so that eventually they will be a good child? Maybe eventually they will face the world and deal with the life the way you teach them. Are you judging yourself? Ṣé ń bára yín sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nínú gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe ń condemn àwọn ìjọba, gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe ń fún wọn ní kí wọ́n ti ń pè fault, tá a ṣe ń criticize wọn? Are we criticizing ourselves as well on this program? That is what we address. Don't get it twisted. The first segment is you should just talk about it and talk about how we can take a good parental responsibilities on our child. And the second segment is a chance for you, my wonderful audience. And you olólùfẹ́ mi, ẹ fẹ́ ọ̀nà yín hàn, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ wò pé báyìí, kí ló yẹ ká ṣe? Kí la lè ṣe lórí ọmọ? Kí la lè ṣe lórí àwa òbí fúnra wa? Kí la lè ṣe àwa tá a já lágbàtọ́? Kí la lè ṣe tí ọkàn wa ò fi balẹ̀? Tí àwọn wọ̀nyí tá a fi máa kọ́ wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó fi di pé tó bá dé ta wọ́n máa lè dìgbì àràbà. Torí Yorùbá sọ wípé ìrèké ò ní bùdó, ibi gbogbo ló ń gbà lágbára. Torí you didn't get it, ó ní kí n tún sọ, ó ní Yorùbá sọ wọ́n ní ìrèké kò ní bùdó, ibi gbogbo ló ń gbà lágbára. Ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ bá fún lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gidi, ibikíbi tó bá wà nú ayé, ibikíbi tó bá tẹ̀dó sí, ibikíbi tó bá wà ó máa tayọ. Àwọn èèyàn máa wò pé so torí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ tá a bá kọ́ ọmọ tá a kọ́ ní ògbèdè tá a tọ́ dà. Torí as we all know pé the youth we are the future of tomorrow. So we as a youth now, what are you implying into our heads? Kí lẹ̀ ń kọ́ wa, kí lẹ̀ ń fi sínú wa? In case you are just listening for the first time, I'm saying this once again. Bóyá ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ni AYO Radio UK TV show lélẹ́yìí. Ẹ lè kàn sí wa lórí lórí Instagram at AYO Radio UK, no space, or at DJ Ali the journalist. Or you can reach me personally on my IG, TimSasi_official. Okay, kàn sí wa lórí Facebook. You can watch us live on Facebook rather. DJ Ali the journalist, no space, or AYO Radio UK on Facebook. Get it or press it there. So you can even watch it live and listen to it live and direct from the stable of your number one radio station, AYO UK TV show. Or any consume lórí Facebook fúnra mi, TimSasi_official. Nǹkan tá a sọ ní lórí ètò wa, ètò yín, ètò aráàlú, ètò tó gẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀dígẹ̀, the government and the people, ìjọba àti aráàlú. I appreciate my wonderful guest that I had last week, Mr. Adigun Temitayo. He gave opinion ideas and he gave some inspirational quotes about on how to deal and to take a good parental responsibilities on our child. And again, I want to test me by. I want to sọ fún mi and Mr. Adigun Temitayo tún sọ fún mi pé bá jẹ́ ká fọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba lẹ̀ ká mójútó ara wa. That is the idea he's giving me now, saying we should just keep talking about ourselves because àwa la máa sọ̀rọ̀ ń para wa, torí àwa la ṣì ń ríra wa, torí àwa náà la lè ṣe tó lè dáa, torí àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ nìyẹn. What he's trying to imply now is we should just leave the government aside for now. We should talk about the people. And Mr. Badejo Ẹ̀ṣọ́, àwọn náà sọ pé Yorùbá bọ̀ àwọn náà ṣe lé wọ́n ní béèyàn bá ní kí lẹ́ran ó ṣe, ẹran lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó jánà. Téèyàn bá dẹ̀ sọ pé kí lẹ́fọ̀n ó ṣe, ẹ̀fọ̀n lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó jádàn. téèyàn bá dẹ̀ sọ wípé kí ilẹ̀ ẹyẹ ó lè kí ilẹ̀ ẹyẹ ó ṣe ẹyẹ lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbónítàn ń lọ sì jẹ́ ká wò sùnsùnsùn báyìí ká mójútọ́rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ wa. Yeah, I thank you so much, Mr. Fesobade Esho. I understand what you're saying, but notwithstanding, I will still deal with the people this week again, because it seems people are enjoying and really want to hear about the people. It's not that they are neglecting the government, no. But you know what they are trying to say now is the government are there. They have their opinions, they have their fact, they have their mind. They will do what they want to do. That is what they are implying that. Now, that we should just talk about we the people, because eventually what we do now will affect our tomorrow, so that everything will be fine. Okay, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tó fẹ́ ọ̀nà yín hàn. Mo dúpẹ́ pé ọgbọ́n òye ìmọ̀ tọ́lọ́run ọba mi wò sọ̀sùn báyìí tó wò nínú ọlá ńlá rẹ̀ tó fi fún ọba Solomon lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. Ọlọ́run ọba mi ọ̀hún náà kò ní jẹ́ kí ọgbọ́n kó sá kúrò nínú yàrá yín. Àmín. Once again, you're welcome to your #1 radio station, the station with a lot of charisma, AYO Radio UK TV show. Torí pé ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ n sọ fún yín lórí ètò yìí a yàtọ̀ sí wọn àsìkíngbà kan jù kan lọ. A ti ń gbẹ́sẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́, a dẹ̀ ti ń ṣá prapra tipẹ́tipẹ́, a dẹ̀ ti ń gbé bọ́dì, because tó o bá ti gbọ́ bíbí báyìí gbé bọ́dì ẹ̀ nìyẹn. A ti ń ṣèyẹn tipẹ́tipẹ́, a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa ṣe. AYO Radio UK TV show, àwa ni bàbá, àràbà ni bàbá, ẹni adẹ̀bálábà òun ni bàbá. Tá a bá dẹ̀ orí akọni ó di dandan kí dà wà lọ́wọ́ ẹni, so ká lè fi ìdá yẹn ṣe kí ni, ká lè fi lálẹ̀ kí ara gàgà. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, tẹ́ ẹ bá ní ìhọ́nú, tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ fi ẹ̀hónú yín hàn lórí ètò yìí, ẹ kàn sí wa lórí studio line wa +4474 87570261. Ẹ kàn sí wa kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ bó ṣe ń lọ, kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ nǹkan tá a lè ṣe tí ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa tó fi máa dáa. Torí Yorùbá sọ wípé báládì ò bá sí nílé ọmọ ẹni ní jogún ẹbú. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé tá a bá ṣe tá a bá lọ ọmọ ẹni lèrè. Ẹnìkan kan ló ní ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ, ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ, ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ, ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ. Torí tá a bá raṣọ lọ́jà aṣọ ó gbó, tá a bá ròdòdó lọ́jà òdòdó á wọ́wé. Ẹ jẹ́ á rọmọ, torí ọmọ ló máa ṣe lédè ẹni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àti pé àkàrà gìrìwó ló káwọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ gìrìwó. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé òbí tó bá ní nǹkan nínú, tó nínánú, tó gbọ́mọ̀ràn, tó ronú bóun ṣe máa tọ́mọ, òun ló máa lè kojú ọmọ, ló máa lè fọ́mọ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó tọ́ tó péye. Torí because you cannot give what you don't have. If you fail to be informed, to get information, it's not an excuse. So you need to be informed in order for you not to be deformed. You give what you have, and because you don't give what you don't have, òní araṣọ lọ́jà, ọ̀la araṣọ lọ́jà, ọjọ́ tá a bá kú làṣọ ó ṣègbé, ọmọ ní kára. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ara wa. Torí tá a bá mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ara wa, tá a bá mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ, rather àmójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ara wa ni. Because we know the government, they are patriotic in words. I've been saying this several times. But àwa òbí, a mọ̀ àfi tá a bá ń tanra wa jẹ lókù. Ọmọ la máa kọ́, la máa tọ́ tó fi máa lè délé ayé, ló fi máa lè fèsì ayé, ló fi máa fèsì àwọn ènìyàn, ló fi máa dépò, ló fi máa mọ ẹ̀tọ́. Ìtòyẹ̀ náà fi sọ pé ìdèkí ò ní bùdó, ibi gbogbo ló ń gba lágbára. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àkàrà gìrìwó ló kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gìrìwó. Ọmọ tó bá lọ́pọlọ lórí, ìyá náà tó lọ́pọlọ tó fi ẹ̀kọ́ gidi fọ́mọ, òun náà lọ́mọ fi máa dé ní ayé láti fèsì àwọn èèyàn, láti wà nípòkípò, láti ṣe eré. Torí orin sọ wípé ẹ ṣe eré kó dára, ẹ ṣe eré kó dára o, ẹni ayé bá kàn ẹ ṣe eré. Ẹ wo, in case you have an advert, in case you have a wedding, in case you have a naming ceremony, or you have an appreciation to show to your God Almighty, you can reach me on 081 13 14 62 42. Ẹ pè mí, ẹ wo, chọ̀lọ̀ la wá. Ọ̀rọ̀ ò ní pa wá, ẹnu ò ní pa wá, a máa chọ̀lọ̀. Torí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí la fi dálé ayé. Ọlọ́run ọba mi ó fagbára rẹ̀ sínú ọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ló sì wò sùnsùnsùn báyìí. Ló fi wò pé tá bá ní ká máa sọ̀rọ̀, a máa ka ABD, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ibẹ̀ náà ni AYO Radio UK TV show ti jáde. Torí pé kí ni? Akọni ni wá. Tá bá dẹ̀ pé orí akọni, mo ti sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, tí ò bá mú dàda ní tó porí akọni, ànàsáré ni wọ́n máa nẹ́ o. So tá bá ti porí akọni, a máa fi dà lálẹ̀ gàràgàgà. Very soon, a máa lálẹ̀, a máa gilẹ̀, a máa fò ràbàràbà bí ẹyẹ ìdì, a máa lálẹ̀ sékòó. Precisely in Nigeria. Okunade Olúṣọlá Gabriel lórúkọ mi. Tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, mo tún jẹ́ Sásì. Ṣùgbọ́n màmá ò mọ̀, my mama no know. But don't get it twisted, relax, chill. Mo ń bọ̀. AYO Radio UK TV show lélẹ̀. Ìdùnnú yín láyọ̀ tiwa, ayọ̀ yín lórí gbígbé tiwa àti ìdùnnú wa. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ń rẹ́rìn, àwa náà máa rẹ́rìn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti lejú, ní dùnnú o. Torí náà, that's the reason why we are giving you information, education, and entertainment on AYO Radio UK TV show. Oh, I have some ideas, I have some tips from AYO Radio UK TV show. I have like 3 motivational quotes, and I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 health quotes here, live and direct from AYO Radio UK TV show. This motivational quote, 1 out of the 3 says, the less you respond to rude, critical arguments, people, the more peaceful your life will become. You're getting it? This is the inspirational quote from AYO Radio UK TV show, saying the less you respond to rude, critical, argumentative people, the more peaceful your life will become. And this one says, it's a wisdom word. This one says, anger is a condition in which tongue work faster than the mind, while smile is an acting which makes everything work faster except the tongue. Choice is yours. You cannot control someone else's behavior. You can only control your own reaction. And this one says, don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you missed, or you miss when you don't even try. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. So that's the 3 motivational quotes live and direct from AYO Radio UK TV show. Now let me quickly say some health tips. This one says health tips from AYO Radio UK TV show. You can be listening to it, or be watching, or be viewing it via Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Even though if you are interested on WhatsApp, just reach me or add me on 081 13 14 62 42. I'll sort it out for you. I will inform you. The Smile Series, don't worry. That's what we give on AYO Radio UK TV show. This one says health tips. This one says, if you care for your brain, sleep for 8 hours. This has been mandated and has been broadcast and has been broadcasted as well from WHO, World Health Organization. says if you want your brain, if you want to rest, and if you care for your brain, sleep for 8 hours. And this one says if you care for your appendix, use lemon frequently. If you know you love your appendix and you care for it, use lemon frequently. The third one, if you care for your throat, if you care for your throat, use pepper frequently. As in, let your food be pepperish. Use it frequently. There are some that uses pepper, green pepper to drink garri. It's part of it. If you cannot take that, you can be putting a lot of pepper in your stew so that it will be affecting the throat. And again, the fourth one, this one says, if you care for your nose, eat mint regularly. You know what I mean by mint? If you care for your nose, eat mint regularly. The fifth one says, if you care for your hairs, pour garlic mixed oil in the hair frequently. If you care for your hairs, pour garlic mixed oil in hairs frequently. This one says, the sixth, this one says, if you care for your heart, as it is the number one engine that works in the body, that makes us to be horse, that even affects the brain, the mind, and every cell, is heart. So you cannot avoid to just snub or overhead or overlook or overthink or just snub this one. This one says, if you care for your heart, avoid excess salt. So avoid excess salt, and I put this in my own. You should be very careful with chemical forming food too. So that's it. Number 7, it says, if you care for your lung, avoid smoking. WHO, they says, smokers are liable to die young, but still yet some people are so much addicted to smoking. But if you really do care for your lung, avoid smoking. All these health tips is coming live and direct from AYO Radio UK TV show, your stable and your number one radio station on your number one program as well. The government and the people, Ìjọba àti aráàlú. I remain your host, Okunade Olusola Gabriel, aka Sassy. This is AYO UK show. We give information, give education. Ṣó fẹ́ polówó ọjà, àbò fẹ́ entertainment ni. AYO Radio UK TV show là ń sọ. Ẹ má bá wa ká lọ, ẹ bá wa ká lọ, ẹ tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀. Stay with us and you enjoy yourself, because we are here to inform, educate and entertain you. Let me continue on this number 8. This one says on health talk. This one says if you care for your eyes. If you care for your eyes, torí ojú ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ ara. Eyes are very important. If you really do care for your eyes, massage your feet with oil before going to bed. You know what it is? Just massage your feet with oil before going to bed. Just wash your legs and get a nice oil. Anyone, just not get a oil from anywhere. Not just any oil. Not oil used for frying or used to fry something. No, that's not an oil, So just find the oil and massage your feet with oil. Massage it properly so that you enjoy it and go to bed. It works for eyes. And again, number 9, this one says, if you care for your menstruation, this goes for ladies. If you care for your menstruation, use green gram regularly. If you really care for your cycle, your menstruation cycle, use green gram regularly. Number 10, this one says, if you care for your kidney, if you really care for your kidney, empty your bladder before going to bed. Drink less water at night. drink less water at night, and before you go to bed, go to the gent or restroom or go out or toilet. Empty your bladder before going to bed. 11th, this one says, if you care for your liver, avoid excess fatty foods. If you really care for your liver, avoid excess fatty foods. 12, if you care for your intestines, replace junk foods with vegetables. You know, that's the reason why I don't blame vegetarians. If you really care for your intestines, you know, intestines in human being, they are like all these wires inside of us. So if you don't want them to spark anytime, if you don't want them to leak, if you don't want them to cut, if you don't want them to dash you still want them to be working very well. Replace junk foods with vegetables. 13th, this one says, if you care for your stomach, you know, oníkùn ló mọ̀ká, alábẹ̀ ló mọ̀wọ́ pọ́nlá, tàbí ajẹran ló mọ̀wọ́ pọ́nlá. Oníkùn ló mọ̀ká, ajẹran ló mọ̀wọ́ pọ́nlá. If you really care for your stomach, avoid cold food. If you do really care for your stomach, avoid cold food. This is coming live and direct from AYO Radio UK TV show. Ẹ wo, àwa ni bàbá. Ọlọ́run ọba mi ló gbé wa lékè, ó gbé wa jù wọ́n lọ. Torí ó fi wá ṣalákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ó fi wá ṣẹyẹ ìjì. À ń fò lókè la. Á yàtọ̀ sí wọn torí pé A ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ tiwa, ó tún tẹ̀lé pẹ̀lú Y, ó tún wá tẹ̀lé kó tó wá di gbogbo orúkọ tí gbogbo èèyàn jẹ́ tó jẹ́ rédíò. Bọ̀ tiwa tó wá ní UK TV show torí ẹ̀ ló fi jẹ́ pé àsìkìngbà kan jù kan lọ. Kò ní jù báyìí lọ lórí ètò yín, ètò wa, ètò alálùbáríkà, ètò gbogbo ìlú, ètò aráàlú, ètò the government and the people, ìjọba àti aráàlú, pẹ̀lú Okunade Olúṣọlá Gabriel aka Sassy. Tó bá di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀, a tún máa sọ̀rọ̀ padà torí ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ láyé, ọmọ láṣọ. Next week we'll talk about it. We'll proceed. We talk more about it. All the life tips, health tips, and inspirational and motivational tips is coming directly from AYO Radio UK TV show. It won't be more than this. Till we meet next week. For real, I'm not joking, and I'm serious. I love you to the bone. Bye.
Yes, welcome back to AYO Radio, the government and the people, from your main man, yes, Sassy, Team Sassy. Yeah, it comes to you every week on AYO Radio UK. It normally comes on Wednesday, but we just change it due to many programs coming on. Ladies and gentlemen, keep it locked right here on AYO Radio, the station with charisma. Don't forget, AYO Radio will be in Nigeria very, very soon. AYO Radio will be on FM in Nigeria. Thank you so much. So join us. We're coming back in 3 minutes when we present Lagbo Eko. All university students, parents must gather and listen to this show. Okay?
DJ in London represents in Nigeria. #1 DJ in the whole world. The best DJ is DJ Happy. If you don't have him, then you got nothing. Give it up for DJ Happy. Yeah.
Such lives and informative